另外，伫澳洲的悉尼有一间动物园，去年有救到一只真特殊的动物，这就是澳洲的尖燕。伊的喙甲鸭喙兽同款，是一种会生卵的真黏类的动物。这也是这款动物内面上原始的族群。饲养员家心惊，这只叫做米莉的澳洲真燕，食甲甜甜有味。这只全身拢是刺，伊的喙甲鸟仔真共款，亲像刺猬，佮亲像蝴蝶的动物，是一种生活伫澳洲甲新几内亚原始卵生食灵类的动物真燕。去年11月，米莉伫雪地中心商业区附近森林，互人发现，才送来塔隆加动物园。
She was just discovered on her own without her mother. She was we estimate her age at about 35 days when she came in, and which at that age she should have still been in mum's pouch. So something's happened to mum, which has made her drop the puggle.
真燕对科学家来讲是一种奇特的食灵类动物，有亲像蝴蝶的刺，若见到全身球做球，只走出刺的部分。各项强有力的五指前骹，真经乌空土盾，有真长的口鼻，无喙齿，食到遐甲白遐。虽然是食灵类，毋过也亲像爬虫类共款生卵，甲地鼠共款有肉袋啊，用伫肉袋内底孵卵，也个用摇饲囡仔。另外，也个真长寿，因为伊体温只有32度，是食灵类内底上低，因为体温低关系，新陈代谢较慢，会活到45到50岁。
She's actually been staying in a very big tub in my bathroom at home because that's the coolest place in the house. And with all of the very warm temperatures over summer, we didn't want her to overheat. So she's been down there in my bathroom since November.
因为米莉只有9个月，年岁阁真细汉，无法度知影伊的性别，需要专工来照顾。饲养员表示，差不多每2点钟都要饲一摆，毋过也笑讲，米莉算是一个真好斗阵的室友，毋过动物园安算伫米莉阁较大汉一点啊。差不多今年下半年，阁将野放等大自然。公司新闻江文平业。